I wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper over at Simulated, literally humping everyone.
Ooh! To the vet right now, but whoever bumped my dog upside the head with a cartoon hammer, I will find you, and I'll make sure tries it.
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Sit. Will you be my Valentine?
Wait, did you eat a treat from right here? No. So why they saying you ate a treat if you ain't eat a treat from? Did you eat? I'ma ask you again. Did you eat a treat from right here? No. All right.